Hello guys, today we have started with ancient Egypt cities. The cities of ancient Egypt developed along the Nile River due to the fertile farmland along its banks. The typical city had a wall around it with two entrances. There was a major road down the center of the town with a smaller, narrow street connecting to it. The houses and buildings were made of mud brick. If a building was destroyed in a flood, generally a new building was just built on top of it. Some cities in ancient Egypt were specialized. For example, there were political towns that housed government workers and officials such as the cities of Memphis and Thebes. Other towns were religious towns centered around a major temple. Still other towns were built to house workers for major construction projects like the pyramids. Capital cities. The largest and most important cities in ancient Egypt were the capital cities. The capital cities moved over the course of time. The first capital city was Thinis. Some of the later capitals include Memphis, Thebes, Avaris, Ecbatana, Tanis, Sais, and Alexandria. First, we have talked about Memphis city of Egypt. Memphis. Memphis was the capital city of Egypt from 2950 BC to 2180 BC. Some historians estimate that during its peak, Memphis was the largest city in the world. Memphis continued to be a large and important city in Egypt even after the capital was moved to Thebes. It was also a center of religion with many temples. The main god of Memphis was Ptah, the creator god and the god of craftsmen. Next is Thebes city. Thebes first became the capital of Egypt around 2135 BC. It served off and on as capital until around 1279 BC. Thebes and Memphis generally rivaled each other as the largest and greatest cities in Egypt. Thebes was an important political and religious city. It housed several major temples including the Temple of Luxor and the Temple of Karnak. The Valley of the King is located near the city of Thebes. Alexandria. Alexandria served as the capital city from 332 BC to 641 AD. The city became the capital when Alexander the Great conquered Egypt and one of the generals established to the Ptolemy dynasty. Alexandria remained the capital for nearly 1,000 years. In ancient times, the city was famous for the lighthouse of Alexandria, which was one of 7 wonders of the ancient world. It was also known as the intellectual center of the world and home to the largest library in the world. Alexandria is located in northern Egypt on the coast of the Mediterranean Sea. It is the second largest city in Egypt today. Amarna. Amarna was the capital city of Egypt during the reign of the pharaoh Akhenaten. The pharaoh created his own religion that worshipped the god Aten. He built the city to honor Aten. It was abandoned shortly after Akhenaten died. Abydos. Abydos is a very old Egyptian city dating back to before the Old Kingdom. The city was considered one of the most holy places in Egypt because it was believed that the god Osiris was buried there. As a result, several temples were built in the city. The most famous surviving temple is the Temple of Seti I. Also, some of the first pharaohs of Egypt were buried near Abydos. Hermopolis. The city of Hermopolis, also called Khumunu, was located on the border between Upper and Lower Egypt. It was a wealthy resort town but also a center of religion. Egyptian mythology said that the first sunrise occurred over the city. The primary god worshipped here was Thoth.